This is a review of the HICC Pet Ear Relief Finger Wipes. The brand sent this to me so I can use it on my fur babies. And I'm so glad they did because I have a kitty that has a problem ear. And so we're gonna get her on screen here and see how this works. So what we're doing here is we are opening it up, putting my finger in there. Oh, there's a smooth side and a textured side. And I think I just lost my cat. So hold on one second. Yeah, I know you don't like being on screen. I can never remember which ear it is. No, it's not that one. Okay, so she always has a issue with this ear. So we're going to go in there. Oh, how does that feel? Oh, yeah, you. Looks like she likes it. Yeah. What, does it feel good? Huh? Oh, get in there and clean the ear, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, mommy, get in there and clean that ear. Did I get it? Oh, look at that. Yeah. Oh, get that ear. Yeah. Okay. Wow. That's the cleanest I think I've seen it. Yeah. So as you can see, gotten quite a bit of that gunk out. Oh, you happy girl. Are you done? You happy? Yeah. And so yeah, it got all that gunk that needed to come off. And then it's just got a nice light scented coconut. It's got a nice light coconut scent to it. And so that worked really good. I don't know. You can, ugh. Let's see the gunk that it got. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be using this from now on for her ear.